Okay. Go back. Another comb in my hair. And turn my hair. And I need something. Comb again for my bangs. And it's okay. I forgot one thing. Okay, I have my headband. It's so cute. And I need my pencil case to be red. It's my new pencil case. Yay! Okay, first we need color. We need this one. Secure. Next is something. Wait. Here is it. Vegetables. Put it there. And this. I'm just kidding. I'm just gonna get this. And all on and okay, and we need our bag. Just wait. Here's our bag, and let's go put our book. And let's go right. I need it. And put it in the bag. Need our pencil case. Okay, we're gonna go now, but let's go now. And why are you laughing? Why are you laughing, guys? And let's go.
So guys, let's learn A, B, C, D, E.
Teacher, I'm gonna do my test. I'm gonna do it.
So let me.
And I need my red. I'm just gonna put 6, 7 everywhere.
Okay, I'm sitting down.
One, two, 3, 2, 3, 4. Yay! School is done! Boy, hindi na pa to.